Good morning, Eastview Wolves. Hope you guys are off to a great start today and having a good experience so far. We're going to just continue with what we've been doing so far. Today, you are going to get a chance to do another drawing creation. Um, Make sure you're trying to get as many of these bonus challenges in. One thing I noticed yesterday was, let me hit undo because I just added that in. Okay, so to add a background, I just click Shapes, and then I can do the rectangle tool. And again, this was the one that I was surprised almost nobody did this one. So once you have the shape on there, you right click, go to Order, and go all the way down to Send to Back, and there it is. That's how you can do a background. And now we have layers. You have layers within your smiley faces, and then a layer behind it as your background. Secondly, one of the things I noticed yesterday, look at this, we had 11 people turn this in. You need to unsubmit it. You will not get credit here. We're going to put all our creations together in a different way and turn them in. So again, unsubmit if you're one of the 11 in this class, and in each class I had people make this mistake, so we don't want to turn those in. If you do have questions, you can shoot me an email. I'm happy to help you and answer any questions you have. Today the exit slip is our Flipgrid, so you're going to be doing a quick little video for the class, and by quick, 10 to 20 seconds. Of course, we're going to make these super appropriate for the classroom, but they should be fun because you'll get a chance to see everyone in the room, and you'll see the one that I did with my daughter as well. That's it for today. I hope you have yourself a great day and look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Good luck.